Greetings, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic for you: top 5 tips for getting the most out of ChatGPT. If you want to maximize your experience and make ChatGPT work for you, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. Tip number 1: set a clear goal. It's all about knowing what you want. Example 1. For instance, instead of asking "tell me about space," try something like "give me a quick overview of Mars rover missions." It's specific, and it helps ChatGPT understand your intent better. Tip number 2. Give context. Paint the picture for ChatGPT. Example 2. Imagine you're looking for a great restaurant in a new city. Instead of asking "best restaurant?" be specific. Recommend the top Italian restaurant in San Francisco for my visit. It helps ChatGPT give you more accurate recommendations. Tip number 3. Be specific. Spell it out. Example 3. Avoid vague questions like "tell me about cars." Instead, ask something like "compare electric versus hybrid car technologies." Specific questions yield more detailed and helpful answers. Tip number 4. Ask again if needed. Don't settle for confusion. Example 4. If you get a vague response, don't be afraid to follow up. For example, if you ask for the weather and it's unclear, ask again. "Give me today's New York City weather, including temperature and precipitation." Tip 5. Polish your query. Refine for accuracy. Example 5. If ChatGPT provides inaccurate information, refine your question. For history facts, try something like "tell me about the significance of the Battle of Gettysburg in the American Civil War." Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 5 tips for making ChatGPT work for you. Setting clear goals, providing context, being specific, asking again if needed, and polishing your query can make your interactions with ChatGPT more effective and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.